Hello, welcome back to my other tutorial. This is tutorial number 7. Today we are gonna focus on why when the character is equipping the weapon, while equipping it the foot is kind of static. So you're gonna make sure when the character is running, while he's running he can equip and unequip the weapon. And also we're gonna see how to replicate our animation so that from the client to server and server to client the animation can be seen by the client as well, and also can be replicated in the server. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Please join our Discord. If you have any question, put your question down the comment, and in the description I have put a detailed breakdown of what we will be doing, so that have a read at it first, and after having a read, watch the video. It'll make more sense. I made it read very nice and simple. Let's get started. Hello there, let's get started. So, like as you can see, we are equipping the unequipping the weapon, and we are calling the update weapon function from sandbox, which is here, this one. So now and we kind of in the future need to replicate this one. So what we're going to do, we're going to convert this to a function. We're going to name this update weapon, and we copy and paste. We remove this and attach. Now we attach this to this, and obviously it's going to stay unarmed because it's unequipped. Now, if we go to this update weapon, we are going to pull this thing off, and we are going to convert this to a variable, and we're going to name it. We're going to name this weapon type type. And like as usual, we join this to this and that to the brilliant. And as usual, for replication, we click on this, and we go and click on Repli Notify. And in Repli Notify, this function is going to appear. Click on this function. Now drag weapon type and compile and save, and grab this thing and put this one here. So this one goes here and that one comes here. So now by this, when you equip and unequip your sword, everyone in this game sees your character animation changing, whether they are on server or client, and it looks clean and professional. We compile and save it. Now let's try to fix a very important issue. Like once we equip the weapon, like you see, when I press E, like the foot is sliding. Like we need to make it look, we need to fix this. So how do we do that? Let's get started. So we are first gonna go to our animation, which is gonna be unequip animation. We are gonna go to the animation montages of equipping. So as you can see in our default slot, we need to add a new slot. So to create a new slot, we go here and we add a new slot, and we say upper body. Yeah. Now we go here, slot name, and we select upper body. And now it's kind of on a post. Just drag this and it's working again. The same thing we are gonna do for the unequipped one as well. We go to the upper body and like kind of drag it slightly back, and yeah. So now we go to the animation blueprint of this. We go to the anim graph, and in the anim graph, what we are gonna do is, now what we're gonna do, now we break this one, and we type default slot, and under this default slot we choose the upper body slots, which we created, and we, for time being, no, actually, you know what, we are gonna keep this one attached. We will break this one actually. We are gonna name this main final state post. Main final state post. Now we get the main 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 final state post, and now delete it. Control C, Control D, two of them, and we use layer blend curve bone. We attach this to them. Now if we go here, Let's create a new blend where we keep spine spine underscore O1, which is one of the spine. This one, that means under that, it's going to do the blend. For now, let's keep the blend at 0. We are going to kind of test it. Let's bring this to this and this to that. That's going to go through the upper body swap. And we try this to this. And let's see whether it's going to work or not. So we run, grab. Now we press EC. Now when we're pressing E, it's joining. And yeah, there you go. Look. Thank you very much. Hope you like our video. And the summary of what we did is going to be under the description. Have a read. If you have a read and follow the instruction, it'll be more easier. And it'll be read very nice and simple. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and sign up for the game which I'm making from scratch. Thank you. Bye-bye.